Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, today's tutorial is based on this look. Recently I've done quite colourful ones, so you know I like to switch it up, do a few like neutral ones and then a few like more colourful ones, you know, like a daytime to like crazy evening or something. So yeah, this is kind of like a more toned down look today. Toned down for me. So like not really toned down, but you know what I mean, like I used brown. So yeah, this is the look I came up with. It's like a half cut crease, but I just did the cut crease quite high up this time. It's just like a different technique to doing half cut creases, you know, in case you wanted to do something a little bit different. Basically what I'm saying is, like, I think this kind of cut crease is a lot easier than my last tutorial's cut crease or the one before that. So yeah, if this looks like something you'd enjoy, please keep on watching, and if you do enjoy, please remember to like, comment and subscribe. I appreciate it very, very much, and you know, all your comments, all your likes and your subscriptions are always deeply appreciated, I promise. Getting very close to the 1,000 mark, so you know, I'm getting very excited, and it's nice to see that people are like enjoying. Has that been up the whole time? Oh dear Lord. Right, so before I go off on a tangent again, let's get into the video.
Okay, so to start off today's tutorial, I just took the Too Faced Natural Love palette and I just went in with this like warm transition shade. It's called Honey Butter, and just on a fluffy brush I just ran this through the crease just to start off our look. Pulling back the reins, letting go again. I'm not afraid, I'm not. And then I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and took this burnt orange shade called Realgar. I never know how to say that. And again, I'm just running this through the crease on a fluffy brush. And then I also took the same shade on like a denser brush just to pack on the colour more, because I want this to peek through at the end as well and keep the look warm even when we're adding cooler tones. I then went back into the Too Faced palette and just took the shade Makeup and Chill, and on that dense brush just started packing this onto the outer V and through the crease as usual, and then just again just blending it through with that fluffy brush. And then I just went into the Modern Renaissance and took the shade Cypress Umber, just because I didn't feel like the Makeup and Chill shade was pigmented enough. This one's definitely pigmented, so I just used this one kind of instead. You don't need to use both, but this is just what I did. I'm then just going to take this shade Stiletto, which is like this black shade, and just start running that onto the outer V with a dense brush. I'm just focusing this on the outer part of my eye because I don't want to make this look too dark. I want it to sort of ombre in. And then just took the concealer that I used to prime my lids, whatever that was this day, and I just used it to cut out my crease. I'm doing this in a different way than what I normally do. I'm sort of creating like a parallel line to my lash line, and then just sort of blending it out. This is like an easier way to do a cut crease, and it's just as effective. It does, you know, obviously require a little bit of attention, but a little less than doing like a half moon, because it's quite hard to get the lines as straight when you're doing like a half circle, if that makes sense. So I found this like a lot easier than, you know, what I did in like my last tutorial. I then took the shimmer shade Hot and Bothered, and just on a dense brush, I just wet the brush and then just pack this onto the center of my lid, as you can see. And then just going back in with some of them browns, I just blended it into that shade just because I wanted it to all look seamless. I then went into the shade Cutie Patootie and I just put this on the start of that cut crease, and again just blending it in with that other shade. Just wanted, again, like an ombre, look at something a little bit different to show that you don't need to put one shade all in the front. You can do whatever and it all will look nice and lovely as long as you blend. And then just applied some liquid liner as usual. I didn't do too much of a wing, but yeah, as you can see, nothing new here. And then I just went into the shade Pink Cheeks and just used this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. And then I just took this Maybelline Big Lashes mascara and I just used the thicker side for my top lashes and applied a few coats. And then I just took these bottom lashes. These are from Peaches and Cream, as you can see. Again, just the multi-pack that I normally use. These are really nice and full. So I just glued these down using my Duo lash glue. And then to finish off the look and the lower lash line, I'm going to go back in with the shade Honey Butter and just on a fluffy brush put this along the lower lash line.
No, I don't need a degree to know this ain't love at first sight. 'Cause I know how this works.
And then taking a bit of Makeup and Chill and some of that other shade, the black shade, on a denser brush, I'm just going to put this on my lower lash line as well. I'm I'm making this quite smoky, so I am just using quite thick brushes and nothing too small. And then just used the smaller side of that mascara to apply a few coats to my lower lashes too. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you all very, very soon.
So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please give the video a like, leave me a comment and subscribe, remembering to click the bell icon as well because we're having YouTube problems again, but we won't get into it. So yeah, please do that, and yeah, I think I'm done. So yeah, thank you once again for watching. I appreciate it so much, and yeah, I'll see you for my next tutorial. Thanks everyone, bye.